Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 8183 Wellington Road 22. This amazing country property is located in Guelph, Eramosa, just between Guelph, Rockwood, and Fergus, and directly across the road from Wild Winds Golf Links. It features a sprawling 3,100 square foot bungalow on 26 acres of land. As we give you an overview of this expansive property, you will begin to understand how special it really is. It features plenty of clear space at the front of the property and a row of trees providing privacy from the road. You'll love the gazebo, pond, and your dog will appreciate the fenced-in dog run beside the attached garage. In addition to the attached garage, there's an oversized double-door garage that's large enough for your vehicles, plenty of storage, and your workshop. And just look at this backyard oasis, featuring a solar-heated in-ground pool, a large deck with 2 gazebo coverings, and wonderful views of the backyard forest. As we continue on, you will see that the property has owned solar panels that help cut down hydro costs and create environmental efficiencies. With an additional drive shed, this property has roughly 20 acres of hardwood forest. You'll absolutely love walking, hiking, biking, and ATVing through the trails of your own private forest. It's simply magical in here. Now that you can see how special this property is, let's go take a look inside. As we step inside and start to explore, you will see how large this single-family ranch bungalow is. On one side of the home, it features a large living room with hardwood floors and a wood-burning stove. With large windows on both sides of the room, allowing plenty of natural light, this is the perfect room for entertaining or relaxing by the fire. The eat-in kitchen features a large dining area with plenty of room for additional seating, solid oak cabinets, stainless appliances, a granite countertop, and plenty of cabinet space. On this side of the home, the hardwood flooring flows past a 4-piece washroom to the 3 large bedrooms. The master bedroom is spacious, bright, and features an updated 3-piece washroom. On the other side of the main level, there's an additional family room, sunroom, 4-piece washroom, 2 more bedrooms, and direct access to the attached garage. There's also an additional den, main level laundry, and another 2-piece washroom. In total, there's 5 bedrooms, the office, 3 washrooms plus a powder room, and main level laundry. As you can see, the main level of this home has plenty of space for the largest of families. Given how large this home is, you can just imagine how much extra space is in the basement. It features a large rec room with a gas fireplace, a 3-piece washroom, 3 additional bedrooms, and plenty of unfinished storage space and a workshop. There's even a walk up to the garage. Not only does this home offer plenty of space, but has the added environmental benefits of geothermal heating and the solar panel system. As you can see, this property is absolutely spectacular. Imagine yourself relaxing by the pool, exploring the forest, sitting by the pond, or working in the expansive workshop. This home has more room than you could ever imagine and an absolute paradise of a property. Give me a call today for your own private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.